Hello everyone and welcome to video 2 of our 3-part Google Classroom video series. This video is going to be focusing solely on the stream and posting to it and the different types of posts that you can make. So hang on for a wild ride. This is going to be a lot of information coming at you. In our last video we went over the stream, or we went over the brief introduction to the stream, talking about how it shows work that's due, topics for assignments, as well as your ability to see things that get deleted from the stream. But let's talk about putting stuff into the stream. And to do that, Google made it very simple and very user-friendly. At the bottom right corner, you're going to see this big plus sign and a button. If you simply mouse over it, it pops up 4 options for you to do. You have the ability to create announcements, create assignments, ask questions, or reuse posts. We're going to start at the bottom and work our way up. So creating an announcement. Announcements are simply just that, statements you want to make to the class. Found this cool video about the eclipse. Check it out. Here we can create a topic for it, in this case, eclipse. And then we have our options here. We can add attachments, as if this were an email. We can add files directly from Google Drive if we so choose. We can add a link from YouTube. So let's just check this out, YouTube. Oops, August 21st. We'll add this live coverage video. It gets added in. You can see it's an 11-hour video. Don't worry, the kids will be fine. It'll keep them entertained. Or if you have a website link you want to link them to, NASA or whatever, or for example. Once your assignment's ready, you simply click Post. And instantly it's there on the screen. If the kids come, they can click on the link. It'll play right there in the browser. They can even watch the video without having to be redirected to the YouTube page, which is a great way to limit their distractibility, because there aren't going to be these other videos, there aren't going to be other ads, there aren't going to be like, ooh, look, I'm on YouTube, let me go watch this video that I like. Nope, it's gone, it's eliminated, it just stays right here in the classroom. So that's the first thing, a general announcement. Our second option is the assignment. This is where you'll be making a bulk of your work for the kids. This is where you'd post things like homework, projects, other work you want them to do in the classroom. In this case, this is going to be demo assignment 1. And the instructions: complete, make a 1-page document about yourself to share with the class. It's going to be due tomorrow at the start of school. When I do due dates, I need you please to keep in mind that if you assign the due date for today, the 22nd, it's the 22nd, it is going to mark anything that gets submitted on August 23rd at midnight as late. And that, to me, is not fair to the students, on account of school hasn't started, and if this wasn't a digital assignment, you wouldn't know if they finished the assignment at 6 o'clock in the morning, the day it's due, or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the day you assigned it. So again, I always recommend the day you want it due at the start of school. So let's say school started at 8 a.m. If it's not handed in by that time or turned in by that time, it will be late. Topic: about me. And I'm not going to attach anything to it, but the students will have to create a Google Doc in order to do this. But again, you'll see all 4 of your attach options are here. I do want to go into a couple things though on this assignment post, which is available for all posting types. First off, there's this For section. For is indicating what class you're posting this to. If you have multiple classes and they're all going to be getting the same assignment, where I have demo 1 will actually be a drop arrow, and I can then choose which classes this gets posted to. So if I'm posting this to 4 classes, I don't need to do it 4 times. In one shot, I can post it to all 4 classes. It is a great time saver. Secondly, there's this button that says All Students. If this class had students in it, I'd actually have a list right here of every single student in this classroom. If I did not want this assignment going to specific students, perhaps I felt it was too hard for them and I've made a modified version, or perhaps I feel that this would be too easy for them and I made something more challenging, I can unselect those students, post this assignment, create a second assignment, attach it to those specific students, and post it. Each student's stream now will look identical. But they're not going to know that they got work that another student didn't, or they didn't get the same assignment. It's a great thing, especially in an inclusion classroom or an in-class resource classroom. If you're handing out modified tests through forms and there's an A and a B, students don't know which one they're getting. And there'll be no indication of 2 forms. And it's like, you do form A, you do form B. They all see one assignment and they complete it. Once your post is ready, you simply you have 2 options, really 3. You've got the option to assign it, which instantly posts it to your stream. You've got an option to save it as a draft, so you might want to come back and work on it later, or the schedule option. Schedule means you pick when this assignment goes live. So if you make the assignment for tomorrow, you can schedule it to post tomorrow at the start of school, or tomorrow 5 minutes before the class period starts. Depending on the students you have, it might be worthwhile. You'd hit the schedule button and you'd be good, but I'm going to make this an instant post and it's assigned. And right there, you see the assignment. You'll also notice here where our due window was, due tomorrow, 8 a.m., demo assignment 1. It clicks on it, it will jump right to that file so they know where it is. Here you have a point value. Students will be here. You can assign points. The docs will appear on this screen. Final type of post is creating a question. And these are simply do now questions. If you want to take a quick survey of the class in the middle of a lesson, this is a great way to do it. So if you want to know if kids saw the eclipse yesterday, did you see the eclipse? Question mark. You can set a due date and time again. Today at 4:45 p.m. Topic eclipse. And I want this to be multiple choice. Option 1, yes. Option 2, no. Do I want students to be able to see the class summary? Yes. I think it'd be fun to see. They can see how many kids saw it, how many kids didn't see it. Again, you've got your options to post. You'll have your ability to post to multiple classes. You'll have your ability to post to specific students. And you simply hit ask. And on the student's end, they'll click on this question and it'll pop up 2 options, yes, no. They select the answer that's most appropriate and you get to see the results. And it's a live survey done very quickly. You can do this and have them write a short essay as well. You want to say, a short writing assignment. What did you do over the weekend that was fun? You have 10 minutes from the start of class. Goes after 10 minutes. It's marked as late if it's not turned in. The final option I want to show you guys is the reuse post button. If you click this, you simply click any class you've ever created, ever. So I'm going to click this old demo class I have here and pick demo assignment 1, reuse it, and it will automatically create the assignment, the question, the announcement that you've already used. I'm going to change this to demo assignment 2, demos, and assign. I don't have to fill it in. Google will not delete anything by default. Any class you create gets archived and can always be retrieved and pulled from later. Continue with our stream real fast. You'll see here these topics have now appeared. Students will be able to see these as well. So if let's say they're missing work on the eclipse, if they hit eclipse, here are the 2 assignments linked for eclipse. About me, here's an assignment that's about them. Demos, here's a demo assignment. They don't have to fish forever. they can purge and shorten. I hope you guys enjoyed looking up the different post types. Stay tuned for our third video coming out real soon. Have a good day, and bye.